The fact that we have seen a number of Uber, Lyft, taxi drivers get infected, to me, is a red flag.
Lyft and Uber are having their workers playing Russian roulette with the lives of many families and members of the general public. That is just fundamentally wrong.
As the number of cases of coronavirus rises worldwide, gig workers like couriers or rideshare drivers are particularly vulnerable. First, their health.
We're still trying to get our arms around the exact mode of spread of this virus, but we've clearly seen a number of Uber, Lyft, taxi drivers getting infected. One of the things we know is droplet contact is an important one, meaning when you cough or sneeze, you release micro droplets. People come into contact with those droplets with their hands, and then they're touching their face. That's a mode of transmission.
I'm fully aware that I'm more exposed to risk than most other members of the public simply because I'm spending my entire day with complete strangers in very close proximity without any significant protections.
But it's not just their contact with people that put them uniquely at risk. Gig workers don't get full benefits like full-time employees, things like subsidized healthcare and paid time off. That's why Eden Alva and other members of the group Gig Workers Rising are trying to force companies like Lyft, Uber, DoorDash, Amazon, and others to give them full benefits.
When people don't get paid sick days, it means they do not take care of themselves. It means they postpone going to the doctors, that they end up working rather than staying at home. If I don't work, I can't pay my bills, period.
Now, months into this international health crisis, the companies are starting to change their policies. Both Uber and Lyft now offer payments to drivers who have been diagnosed with coronavirus or have been quarantined by public health officials. Uber says that it's already begun to pay out some drivers. But right now, with testing not easily available, actually getting a diagnosis that you have coronavirus can be hard, if not impossible. And on top of that, the companies haven't said how much they'll pay out drivers who do test positive or are quarantined.
When people, if they get in coughing, I roll the windows down in the back a little bit and kind of, circulate the air around the car. I'm not going to walk around here with a mask on, scaring people off.
For Lorraine Hanks, coronavirus is no scarier than anything else you might be exposed to.
Corona is not the only virus that can get you sick from other people. So I'm concerned about every virus, and I'm very precautious. And so, I have my little 91 proof alcohol. It kills everything. It kills everything in a chemical lab. It will kill everything in this car.
Both Uber and Lyft are encouraging their drivers now to disinfect their cars regularly, and both companies are offering supplies for them to do it. But for a gig worker, cleaning their cars costs time, and time equals money.
I live without safety net. As a result, you start your day and you think to yourself, is today going to be the day where something bad happens and my financial life is going to be completely derailed?